Good morning, kids. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Children, I am your class teacher, Miss Rafia Anjum, and today I am going to teach you English. Yes, in English, today we will learn a new alphabet. And the alphabet is alphabet U. Yes, the first one is capital U and the second one is small u. You know, students, the phonic sound of letter U is A. The phonic sound of letter U is A. Yes, so now I am going to tell you one story of letter U, so listen carefully. Uno is a magical urn. He wears a silver uniform. Uno is filled with water. One day, Uno buys an umbrella. So students, this is the story of letter U. There are so many words that starts from letter U, like up, umbrella, utensils, unhappy,